Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think we're either going to go up and make a running flat wave C, which would likely go up to one of these two Fibonacci extensions, or we are going to go up and make an expanding flat wave C, which would possibly push us all the way up to the 178, 161.8. Either scenario should lead to a pretty big uptrend, so not too important to know the difference as of yet. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think that this is extremely likely to be the end of a correction. I think we got a nice little five-way pattern up right here. I think it's more likely a wave 1 of wave 3. I think this is a WXY2 of wave 3, and I still think this is going to go up and make a wave 3, which will make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame. So taking that down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a lot of dollar news yesterday. We had CPI and interest rate news for the dollar. Definitely did cause a pretty impulsive move up on the euro dollar, and to me, it looks like a nice uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a nice ABC correction right here in the middle. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, which is a 1 of 3. Probably an ABC of 2, which is a 2 of 3. Right down to the 61.8. Nice impulsive movement up. Now, after such a big movement up yesterday, I wouldn't be surprised if it did kind of correct and bounce around for a day or two, but I definitely think that it's going up. I think we're in a wave 3, and I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I have my Fibonacci retracement on just the last push up right here, because really it kind of looks like a 1-2, and it looks like this is all a big wave 3. This move down right here may be just like a wave 4, or it may just be a subdivision of a much bigger trend. I would definitely expect it to, make some sort of a three-way pullback, like an ABC, bounce off a Fibonacci level, which really could be any one of them. And I think there's a very good chance that it will end up continuing the uptrend, all part of a subdivisions of a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, I personally think this is a wave 3 on the daily, weekly, and monthly, which means that this is probably likely a wave A right here. This is probably more than likely like a wave B, and it probably is probably more likely to drift down maybe to the 50 to 61.8. After such a big move, it probably is going to kind of correct and kind of go sideways, overlapping for a day or two, probably all part of a wave C. But I would definitely keep an eye on these fib levels. If we do get a nice fib bounce, if we do get a nice break of structure, that's definitely going to be the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of this uptrend, which I think this is all just part of a big wave 3 on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.